Today I'm going to show you how to use dark mode in Windows 11. So personally, I enjoy dark mode. Okay, dark mode is really awesome. So what we want to do is find settings, which you can use this little bar over here. Look for the gear icon. On the left hand side, look for personalization, and then look for color. And within color here, you can choose a bunch of different things. So right at the top, it says choose your mode, and this will be either light mode, which is kind of boring and it sucks. Then you can say dark mode. This, of course, will choose dark mode, and then you can say custom. So you can choose your default Windows mode as well as your default Windows app mode. Okay, I'm going to put that back on dark. You can also change your transparency effects, and then you have accent colors, which currently mine is set to blue, but really you can set it to pretty much anything you'd like. So over here you can see that that accent color is pink, and if you right click here, you will be able to also, let me just see where I can find one. You'll see that pink is then the accent color once you have actually changed that accent color. You can also go down over here and change a bunch of other settings, but ultimately right over here, you'll see this is dark mode.